Why do they not duplicate? They're too busy. They have got entirely too much work to do. Right? I mean, it's like, okay, give you a good example of these brain cells functioning. Okay? We have like the little code lock on the door to get to the printer and everything. And so, you know, being gone, it's not that I don't work over the summer, because I do. I just work at the Parham Road campus. So I hadn't been down here at the downtown campus since May. So I go yesterday to the printer room, and I'm punching it. Now in my mind, okay, I'm punching in 3. But now think about this for a second. The number that I needed to be punching in was 8. But if you take off half of that, what does it kind of look like? So I'm like, you know, after about the 3rd time, you're going to get locked out. So, finally I'm like, go back around, where's Patrick? Oh my God! He just laughed, and I said, look, at this age, the brain cells no longer function. Okay? The brain cells are done at this point in life. Okay? So,
but our professor.
I know, right? I mean, think about it. So, here's what I want you to think about though. For every cell of our body, that cell has to do something. It's got to carry out its activity. It has to make its product. What is the only product a cell can make? It can only make one thing. That's it. The DNA contains genes which code for a what?
A job, a function.
So if we think about that chromosome, and on it are genes, ACs, GCs, everybody remember that? And then if I take a segment of that, okay, that segment, that little area is the gene. What does it actually make? The only thing a gene on a chromosome can code for is a protein. Your cells can't make anything else. So whatever the job of that cell is, it's done by the protein. Does that make sense? Now, based on that information, what do we call the product of a nerve? What do we term it? What is its name? What is its class? Y'all don't know this. First of all, we're in nerves, okay? So we know that the term has to contain neuro, right? So if this is my nucleus in the nerve cell body, and it's going to have my chromosomes, okay? It's going to have all my little chromosomes, and on them are going to be segments that are going to code for a protein, because that's the only thing it can do, all right? But in this area of the body, the class that product is put into is termed a what? Neurotransmitter. What level did I just take you to? I took you to the cellular level. Because if this nerve is part of what's going to be making skeletal muscle contract, what was the neurotransmitter for skeletal muscle contraction? What was the name of it? It's released at that point, but what is the neurotransmitter to make skeletal muscle contract called? Name.
It's like ACE, right?
Those are the letters.
It's like
Acetylcholine. What is it? I mean, think about this, okay? This is how I want you guys to be putting everything together, okay? So, if this was a nerve that was going to be leading to a skeletal muscle, the job would be up here in this nerve cell body to produce my acetylcholine. It's produced and wrapped in a little vesicle so that it can travel down the axon to those terminal buds and get released at that area, as we know, as the neuromuscular junction. Does that make anything clear from part one? Excellent. Take a break. Be back at 9:30. Put the muscles in motion.